Block 37 Chai Chee Avenue is in a reminiscent and convenient neighborhood. Below the block are shops and a coffee shop with a nearby fitness corner and basketball court. Just across the street to Bedok Bus Interchange.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm back in Bedok. We are seeing a 3-room with utility room at Chai Chee, Block 37, which is very close to Bedok Mall and the MRT Station. Come, let's take a look at the unit.
This flat lease began in 1983, offering a longer remaining lease than the surrounding blocks, which were mostly built in the 70s. The flat faces a pleasant greenery view. Upon entry, the south-facing flat enjoys cross ventilation, bringing in natural breeze that keep the home cool. The front room can fit a queen's bed and study desk, while the other room has similar squarish layout that can fit in a queen's bed, wardrobe, and dresser. As you enter, you will find an open kitchen fitted with built-in pantry cabinets. Comes with a separate toilet and bathroom. The utility room is versatile and can be used as a storeroom, study, or even a spare bedroom. So, if you are concerned about the remaining lease for CPF or loan usage, just let me know and I can help you with that. Lastly, this 66 square meter flat offers a comfortable size for singles or families and a lifestyle of everyday convenience with easy access to transport, shopping, and dining in the Bedok estate. So please give me a call for a viewing. I will see you in the next video.